Forestry is one of Aotearoa's largest renewable resources and our third biggest goods export. But not everything we grow in the forest is used. Harvesting and processing currently leave behind at least 4 million tonnes of woody material every year. By exporting logs to be processed, we're also missing out on all the jobs we could have here in Aotearoa. At Scion, we're working with our partners to create a future where nothing goes to waste, where natural materials from our primary industry are used as a bioresource to grow our economy. By 2050, the contribution of forestry and manufacturing to Aotearoa's GDP will have grown tenfold, unlocking the potential of an entire industry. How? Distributed manufacturing will play a big part. It's a revolutionary approach that decentralises the processing of our resources. This means placing modular mini-factories on site to process materials from across our primary industry, producing bioproducts and biochemicals. It's another way Scion is leading the transition to a circular bioeconomy for Aotearoa, using the right process in the right regions to create the right products. Our model means wood will be processed close to its origin, rather than exclusively at a central mill or biorefinery, reducing transportation costs and emissions. We can also take advantage of regional opportunities to create high-value products. For example, forestry thinnings and natural fibre in Northland, harvesting residues in Tairāwhiti, or pruned orchard shelter belts and crop byproducts in Hawke's Bay. And what we can create is endless. We have hundreds of thousands of product opportunities, and the response to customer demand can be rapid. Through distributed manufacturing, we have the opportunity to transform a system and design it for a more sustainable future. It's time for Aotearoa to leverage its natural resources and position ourselves as a leader in the circular bioeconomy.